Well, welcome back. Here we are at the early bird. This is 25-yard stake event. Shooting our carbines. We got Matt over there on the left, Grant, Brian O, me, Sparky. Our stake is the one right above to the right of Sparky's head there. Listen to that wind howl. It was blowing pretty good that day. Not much to say here. I couldn't have my other camera up here. My LCD screen died, and I couldn't tell if it was recording or not. We actually got this down pretty good though. Bam! There it is. I got that one. We'll put that in a little bit of slow motion there. There's a shot. There you can see it tipping just a little bit, and there's bending left. There she goes. We got that one. We did that pretty quick. We finished first. All right, thanks for watching.